How to sign up for GetResponse. This is Matt, and in this video I will show you how to sign up for GetResponse and also how to get a 14-day free trial. So first things first, I do have a free trial in the video description. I have an affiliate link there. If you click that link, you'll find yourself right here on this page or a very similar page, depending on how GetResponse changed their pages over time. Now, importantly, this is a free trial. All you need to do is enter your email address there and then click this big yellow, it actually turns blue when you hover it, start free trial button. Now, it's as simple as that. You can start your free trial. As it says here, there's no credit card required. They're not going to take any banking or billing information. You can cancel at any time. So you can give it a full test drive, see if it is the right platform for you. If it is, stick around. You can get on one of the paid plans, which I'll show you in just a moment. If not, absolutely fine, you can cancel at any time. Let's check out the pricing. So here's the pricing. It scales up as your list increases. You can see that this is a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. You can upgrade whenever you're ready. Maybe you won't even need to. So here we go, yearly pricing, you're saving 18%. I have got a detailed video where I go through all of the pricing in detail and I show you, how these pricing plans compare. It's always good to have this comparison table on these pricing pages where you can see what you do get and in some cases what you don't get, depending on the pricing plan. So you've basically got three different price plans. They've got starter, which is their entry-level plan. They've got marketer and creator. So that is how you will get that free trial. That's how you sign up for GetResponse. You can sign up here. They've got buttons here, here, here. I mean, there's buttons everywhere really, but back to the main page. If you find yourself here from my link, you're just going to enter your email address and then hit start free trial. Super simple. Check it out, see if it is for you. Maybe it isn't, that's fine. You don't know until you actually give it a test drive. If it is for you, stick around. So hopefully you found that video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like